Now let's continue on with our painting we've got started here. So what we're going to do is, since we got it like this, let's go ahead and go into our smudge tool. Let's just smudge this out just a little bit. Give it that whole apple core feel that we had going on there. Take our, let's go back to our brush tool. Let's take it down really small and we'll just brush in some lines like so. These will definitely get us what we're looking for. Let's actually take that line out. Do something like this. There we go. Now let's go into our smudge tool. With our smudge tool being really big, we'll just go in there and smudge it up like so. Smudge it down. It's all working with it, you know, just doing what you want. There we go. That's kind of getting an apple texture to it. I want to do just a little one right there. There we go. Go back into our smudge tool. And like that. It looks pretty good. Now let's do a ring on the outside to make it look a little more like it's popping out. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to hit select. And we're going to go modify our selection. We're going to do a border on this. So let's do a border of 8 pixels and see what happens. Kind of what we're looking for. Actually, you know what? Let's deselect this and we're going to just create a new one altogether. Let's go ahead and select our apple core real quick. Our apple stem, and let's bring it down in there like that. There we go. Control deselect, and as you can see, our shadows are falling just where we want them to. Let's go into our erase tool. Get rid of just this little bit here of mistake we had from earlier. There we go. Now let's go into our marquee tool again by hitting M. Let's go into select, and we're going to go back down into transform selection. I'm going to just rotate it again like so. Well, actually that was kind of skewed it like so. And let's grab it and just pull it down to where we want it. Let's pull it down just a little bit more like that. Up like so. And what we're going to do is we're going to create that highlight that we had. We're going to try to do that with a color dodge without actually trying to kill it. What we're going to do is we're going to bring this selection down just a little bit and we're going to border this selection. That way we can get a nice highlight here. So let's stop here and we'll pick this up in the next section.